Good morning, students. Today we'll start another story. Lesson number 3, A Horse and Two Goats, written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. means Rasipuram Krishna Swami Narayan. He is the Indian writer from Tamil Nadu. And in this story, we have a man, Muni, and an American, and we will see in this story how they converse, and at the end, okay, because of misunderstanding, or we can say the language barrier, they could not understand each other well, and something else happens than the expectation of both of them. The story is set in Kritam, that is the village in Tamil Nadu, which the author describes as the tiniest village of India. Muni is the hero of the story, protagonist of the story. He was once very rich, prosperous, having a flock of 40 sheep and goats. But now it is different. Now he has only 2 goats left with him. So he does not have any money to buy food and spend the whole day under the shade of the horse statue where his goats graze. He has those 2 goats, so he take them to one particular place every day, and there is a statue, and he ties the goat near the statue, and he will sit under the statue and spend his whole day. So one day an American comes and stops his car in front of that statue, and he comes to Muni. The American has a very funny conversation, or we can say, though he is not able to talk to Muni well, but he still tries to talk to him in English. Of course, Muni only knows Tamil because he has never gone out of his village any time in his life. So he has learnt only Tamil, not even Hindi. So the American thinks that the Muni is the owner of that particular horse statue, and so he tries to bargain and buy that horse statue from Muni, and he gives him 100 rupees for that statue. On the other hand, we see that Muni had 2 goats, so he thinks that the American is ready to buy those 2 goats, and he is giving 100 rupees for 2 goats, whereas he maybe was expecting maybe just 5 rupees, 6 rupees for 1 goat, and that would have been a very large amount of money for 1 goat. So that's why he quickly took the note, 100 rupees, and he started walking home. Not he started walking, actually, he was very happy, so he hurried back towards home. It was already like evening, and so he left his goats, thinking that the American has bought them already. He left the goats and went home, and he was so happy, and he wanted to tell his wife, but his wife was not happy with what has happened, and his wife was trying to accuse him that he must have stolen that money, 100 rupees, from somewhere, and that's why she was not happy to see that amount of money. Actually, it was not only one, okay, no, one note 100, but it was 10 10 or maybe 5 5, but it was so many notes were there, 100 rupees total was 100 rupees. And so that's why when she is counting, okay, she found out it is 100 rupees, but she was nervous, she was scared that anytime police might come and arrest her husband. Okay, we'll read the story in detail slowly throughout the week, and we will try to learn, try to know about the story. Thank you so much. God bless you.